Today, September, I don't know, 15th maybe, 2008, Henry woke up and started clapping. You did, didn't you? And he's been clapping, like putting his hands together for a while, but today he woke up and just put it together and was just like, this is it. I'm an expert clapper. Can you do that, do you think? Can we do it? Want to try clap your hands together? Clap your hands together. There we go. Yay! Oh, bless you. Bless you. Listen to the noise those hands make when they clap. You're right. You have been clapping for a while, but listen to that. Do it again. Can you do it again? Can you do it again? Maybe not. We got some bananas to eat here. Anyway, we wanted to say how happy we are that summer's almost over. We went for a walk this morning and it was a little bit cooler outside. And we were very appreciative of that. And now Henry's eating bananas. Last night he ate meatballs and potatoes. Love those. And he's just growing so much. And his birthday is like in 2-3 weeks. Crazy. He'll be a year. Any thoughts you want to give Henry? Any more clapping? That's a lot, you're right. A year is a long time. Okay, little boy. Love you tons. Thank you for showing your clapping. Would you like to do it again? Bless you. Okay, over and out. Love you, sweetheart.